easy, no big Christmas dessert. Yes, guys, this one was an experiment, but the end was so delicious. So, welcome back, guys. This is day 5 vlogmas. Do enjoy.
Done we now our gay apparel, la la la.
thanks again for watching, guys. And to my day one supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. For those of you coming for the first time on board, please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. So guys, this is vlogmas day 5. I'm trying my best, so catch you in another video. Happy holidays. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.